Alright guys, today we're installing the Paragon 4-piston big brake kit for the Integra Type R. Now typically their DC2 Type R kit runs a 295 by 28mm 2-piece rotor, but they custom made me one with 330mm by 28mm rotors. For the calipers, I opted with the Electroless Nickel Plating finish. They typically come with red lettering, but I removed it with some acetone. Inside the box you'll have rotors, caliper brackets, brake lines, hardware, brake pads. I opted for adding the titanium brake pad shims, and also these temperature stickers. So we're going to jack the car up, remove the wheel, clean off the hub surface, and bend back the dust shield. Next up, we'll install the brackets for the new calipers with the supplied hardware. We're going to torque down the caliper bracket to OE spec, which is 80 pound-feet. With the caliper bracket in place, we're going to install the rotor. Make sure the fins inside the rotor are rotating the proper direction. You'll see the diagram on the install instructions. Next, we're going to mount up the caliper, and I always like to hand tighten the bolts because you never want to cross thread it. We're going to tighten on the caliper to the caliper brackets at 70 pound-feet. Now that it's time for the pads, let's remove this bolt. Make sure the back of the pad is nice and clean for the titanium shim and slide it on in. Next, you want to put the anti-rattle clips before throwing the bolt back on. The last thing to do is connect the brake line. The proper method is to put a washer, the brake line, another washer, and insert the banjo bolt. We're going to tighten this down to 18 pound-feet. Now that everything's on, we're going to spin the wheel, make sure everything clears, and it's good to go. I can't wait to try these out on the street. Make sure to use my affiliate link below when purchasing.